Cactus. This cactus variety is known as Opuntia humifera. These are the plants that grows in deserted and in very dry regions. These plants do not require any irrigation. Just the rain that falls in those areas are more than sufficient for them to grow. Now let's take a look at this cactus. So if you can notice in here, the leaves are reduced into thorns. So due to evolution, these plants have reduced their leaves into thorn, as you can see in here. These thorns do not help in the process of photosynthesis, but the stem here, that is the flat surface, helps in photosynthesis. These cactuses grow from 5 to 7 meters in tall and are shrubs. Mostly they are considered as weed and are often cut down. But some areas cultivate these fruits and sell them. So if you look at this flower in here, it's bright yellow in color and has both male and female part. Hence is known as bisexual flower. So this is the fruit in this plant. Many cultivators cultivate these fruits and sell in the market. This is not so oftenly seen by many people. So these are the fruits that grow in this cactus plant. So these thorns in here are known as glochids. So these are easily stuck to skin or cloth. So beware of these thorns. They are really very painful. So now let's take a look at the inside of this fruit. If you can see, it's bright red in color and is completely pulped. So this is the pulp, and if you can take a close look at this contains seeds inside them. So I'm going to taste this fruit and say how it tastes like. This thing is very sour. These fruits contain a lot of seeds like this. I don't know whether these seeds are edible, but usually I don't eat them. So if you look at the base of this fruit, you should be very careful while eating this thing. What you're about to look at is another type of cactus. This type of cactus grows only on mountains and requires very less amount of water. Only the rainfall is more than sufficient for it. And this type of cactus doesn't even require any fertilizer or any other minerals. It just grows by the minerals present within the rocks. These doesn't even have enough thorns in it. If you take a good look at it, it doesn't even have bigger thorns like the other cactus. So what does this plant do for photosynthesis and storage of water? Well, the cactus does both of them inside the stem itself. It contains green color pigment for photosynthesis. Also, if you cut this cactus in half, you can see moisture content in it. This video was mainly done for only educational purposes. If you want more details, please comment down in the comment section so that we can post the video. Thank you for watching this, guys. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe this video.